Well, alright, there's the finished product. And let's just get that out of the way for right now. And we can zoom right in. We will see, because somebody is going to be other than myself, although they might not get a taste depending upon how I feel that it comes out. But I have actually pre-packaged. Just a second, see if I can do this one-handed. There we go. Pre-packaged black olives, sour cream, and what they can place those on. And again, as I said, we'll find out if it makes my taste test. I'll annotate that online in comments or discussions. But alright, I guess that's it for today. Now I get back to the schoolwork.